All right, I'm supposed to be leaving Romestead for Christmas. But this is what happens when you keep telling yourself you'll do it later. So when you live in an RV, everything is always right there. But when it begins to pile up, it really piles up. Laundry is the easy part. Leaving is when you have to think. This is where it starts. Leaving the RV isn't just grabbing a bag and locking the door. You got to shut things down enough that you don't come back to a surprise, especially this time of year. I'm not doing a full winterization or anything, just the basics. Water's off, a little antifreeze down the drains, and that's really it. I'll be back soon enough that I'm not worried about a full shutdown. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing enough so nothing stupid happens while I'm gone.